Princess Gabriella's Faithful Quest, a tale of magic and adventure. Once upon a time, in a magical kingdom nestled between rolling green hills and sparkling rivers, there lived a kind and brave princess named Gabriella. She wasn't just any princess. She was known throughout the land for her unwavering faith, her adventurous spirit, and her love for helping others. One sunny morning, Princess Gabriella received a mysterious letter. It was from an old wise owl who lived in the Enchanted Forest. The letter read, "Dear Princess Gabriella, the kingdom is in need of your courage and faith. A shadow has fallen over the Enchanted Forest, withering the plants, silencing the birds, and filling the animals with fear. The light that once protected us is fading, and without it, the forest will be lost forever. Only someone pure of heart and strong in spirit can restore it. Will you help?" Without hesitation, Princess Gabriella packed her bag with a lantern, a map, her favorite book of prayers, and a small pouch of seeds her mother had given her for good luck. She kissed her parents, the king and queen, goodbye, and set off on her journey. As she entered the Enchanted Forest, the trees whispered secrets, and the path ahead seemed uncertain. The once bright forest was now dim, the flowers drooped, and the animals seemed anxious. But Gabriella remembered her favorite verse. "Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil, for you are with me." With faith in her heart, she pressed on. Along the way, she met a lost bunny who couldn't find its way home. Though she was in a hurry, Gabriella stopped to help. She shared her lantern's light and guided the bunny back to its family. The bunny's mother, a wise old hare, gave her a golden key saying, "This will unlock what you seek. But beware, the path ahead is treacherous, and the darkness will test your faith." Next, she encountered a river too wide to cross. Just as she wondered what to do, a family of turtles offered to carry her across on their backs. Gabriella thanked them and shared her bread, reminding herself that kindness always finds its way back. As she ventured deeper into the forest, the darkness grew thicker and the air felt heavy. Strange whispers filled the air, trying to fill her with doubt. "You're too small," they hissed. "You'll never succeed." But Gabriella held her lantern high and whispered, "I can do all things through faith, which gives me strength." The whispers faded, and she pressed on. Finally, she reached the heart of the forest, where a tall, dark tower stood. The shadow loomed over it, and the air felt cold and still. Gabriella took a deep breath and whispered a prayer. She used the golden key to unlock the tower door, which creaked open to reveal a spiral staircase winding up into the darkness. As she climbed, the steps grew steeper, and the air grew colder. At the top, she found a room with a pedestal holding a beautiful, glowing crystal, the source of the forest's light. But the crystal was covered in a thick, swirling darkness that seemed alive. Gabriella remembered the words of her faith. "The light shines in the darkness, and the darkness has not overcome it." She held up her lantern, but the darkness only seemed to grow stronger. Then she remembered the pouch of seeds her mother had given her. She scattered the seeds around the pedestal and began to sing a song of hope, her voice soft but steady. At first, nothing happened. The darkness swirled faster, as if mocking her efforts. Gabriella's hands trembled, and doubt crept into her mind. "What if I'm not strong enough?" she thought. But then she remembered the bunny she had helped, the turtles who had carried her, and the wise hare's words. She realized that every step of her journey had prepared her for this moment. With renewed determination, she sang louder, her voice filling the tower. The seeds began to sprout, their tiny green shoots glowing with a soft, golden light. The darkness hissed and recoiled, but Gabriella stood firm, her faith unshakable. Suddenly, the crystal burst into a brilliant light, shattering the darkness completely. The light spread through the tower, down the stairs, and out into the forest, filling every corner with warmth and brightness. The trees swayed with joy, the flowers bloomed anew, and the animals cheered. The wise owl appeared, its feathers glistening in the light. "Princess Gabriella," it said, "your faith and courage have saved us all. You remind us that even in the darkest times, light and hope can prevail." As Gabriella made her way back to the kingdom, she reflected on her journey. She realized that every challenge, helping the bunny, crossing the river, facing the whispers of doubt, had strengthened her faith and prepared her for the final battle. She had learned that even the smallest acts of kindness and courage could make a big difference. When she returned home, her parents and the people celebrated her bravery. But Gabriella knew the real reward was the lesson she had learned, that faith, kindness, and courage can light up even the darkest paths. From that day on, the Enchanted Forest was brighter than ever, and Princess Gabriella's story became an inspiration to all the children in the kingdom. They learned that no matter how big the challenge, they could overcome it with faith, a heart full of love, and a song of hope.